Hey everyone! Setting up a Verizon Wi-Fi extender. This guide covers installation, mesh pairing, and optimizing full home network coverage. To set up the Verizon Wi-Fi extender E3200, plug it into a power outlet near your Verizon router. Press and hold the pair WPS button on both devices to establish a connection. Then move the extender to a location between the router and the weak Wi-Fi area until the LED shows a solid white light indicating a good connection. Alternatively, you can connect it via coax or Ethernet cable, wait for the solid white light and enjoy extended coverage with the same Wi-Fi name and password as your router. Unbox and identify component Verizon Wi-Fi extender E3200 power adapter. It is optional, coax cable and splitter if needed. Choose your connection type. You can connect the extender to your Verizon router using coaxial cable, MOCA Ethernet cable, Wi-Fi, wireless or WPS pairing. Method 1. Connect extender using WPS pairing. Ensure your Verizon router is working and has internet access. Plug the extender into a power outlet near your router. Wait for the extender's LED to turn solid yellow. Press and hold the unified pair button on the extender for 3 seconds, then within 2 minutes, press the pair button on the internet gateway. Both devices will blink blue while pairing. If there's an error, the extender's LED will slowly flash red for 2 minutes. Unplug the extender and move it to a spot between the router and the area with a weak coverage. Plug it in and check the LED. Solid white, good location. Fast blinking yellow, too close to router, move further away. Slow blinking yellow, too far, move closer to router. The extender uses the same Wi-Fi name, SSID and password as your Verizon router. Devices will automatically connect to the strongest signal as you move around your home. Method 2. Connect extender using Ethernet cable. Connect the Wi-Fi extender E3200 to your Verizon router using a coax, splitter or Ethernet cable out from router and into extender. Plug the Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet near the router and wait for a solid yellow light. Both devices will blink blue while pairing. If there's an error, the extender's LED will slowly flash red for 2 minutes. When you see a solid white or blinking yellow light on the extender, pairing is successful. Unplug the extender and move it to a spot between the router and the area with a weak Wi-Fi coverage, then plug it back in. If the LED blinks yellow quickly, move the extender further from the router. If it is blink slowly, move it closer. When the LED turns solid white, your setup is complete. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.